TrombaAI is an automated intelligence solution that can be customized to meet any requirement set forth by your business. In this video, we're looking at TrombaAI for Claims base configuration. It specializes in helping you process medical claims. It will reduce the startup costs and time to delivery while being able to be customized to meet your enterprise's needs. Today, we're going to be exploring the role that the medical bill processors can play in the process. These are the subject matter experts when it comes to understanding and processing HCFAs and UBIs. Anyone that has dealt with these forms in the past knows that there's a lot of information on these documents. So organizing it and displaying the information to the processor is key. TrombaAI for Claims helps facilitate that so that these claims can be processed quickly and accurately. After the claims documents are ingested, separated, and classified, we will use TrombaAI for Claims award-winning cognitive capture technology to extract the information off of the document. When we click on validation, we will be taken into the job that contains several documents. If you notice, it will take us to the first field that needs to be addressed. Fields contain the information that is extracted off of the document. It is confident that the value got it corrected, or it is flagged as not confident or invalid based off configurable validation rules. You can simply validate a field by hitting enter. You can enter data in the field by keying it in or by rubber banding it. I'm going to draw your attention to the fact that both versions of CMS 1500 were both supported in both red dropout and black and white. Both ICD-9 and 10 codes are also supported. Please note that we also are able to handle line item extraction information, which includes CPT and HCPCS codes. You will also notice that the UB04 supports both ICD-9, 10, and 10 codes. You will also notice that the UB04 supports both ICD-9 and 10 codes. It also supports line item extraction, as well as POA or present on admission flags. TrombaAI for Claims also supports simple and complex validation rules. They can be as simple as a text field being shorter than one character, they can be more complex, such as determining a value does not contain a valid integer, or even more complex than that, by determining valid ICD-10 codes and the multiple fields that are dependent on it. TrombaAI for Claims can even do line item validation rules. In this case, the rev code is invalid, and therefore the service line is also invalid. We also want to highlight the rejection process. This is an exception process that can be utilized to get other knowledge workers involved. For instance, this document does not have a diagnosis code. It will need to be updated either by the claims representative or the external biller. By clicking on the rejection button, it will give you a predefined list of rejection reasons, or you can enter your own. This will allow the user to continue to validate the rest of the documents without having to stop. It also alleviates the burden of feeling stuck by the medical bill processor. After we're done validating, the claims can be sent to export. TrombaAI for Claims has an EDI export connector that creates an EDI file that meets all industry standards. It exports one EDI file per claim, but has different options with regards to the image files, such as TIFF or PDF. However, this is just a piece of what TrombaAI for Claims can do for your claims processing. We have other videos that highlight other disciplines and knowledge workers that are involved in this process. The link for these videos is in the description. Thank you for watching.